हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सफलता बैच क्लास 26। आज हमारी 26 क्लास है। इससे पहले की 25 क्लासें आप प्लेलिस्ट से जाकर के ज़रूर ले लीजिए, क्योंकि ये आपके लिए एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। अगर आप इनको कंसिस्टेंटली एग्जाम तक लेते रहते हो तो आपको इसका काफ़ी बेनिफिट मिलने वाला है। आज जो हम दो मैटर्स लिखने वाले हैं, जनरल और लीगल, 110 115 की स्पीड पर रहेंगे। इसके अलावा इसकी जो पीडीएफ है आप डिस्क्रिप्शन से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। इसके अलावा आज जो है आपको एक होमवर्क मैं दे रहा हूँ। आप लोगों को क्या करना है कि हम जो जनरल और लीगल फेजेस लिखते हैं उनको लिखने के बाद उनकी आउटलाइन आपको प्रिपेयर करनी है, और उस आउटलाइन को आपको स्टेनो आर्मी के डिस्कशन ग्रुप में शेयर करना है, जिससे जो बच्चे आउटलाइन नहीं प्रिपेयर कर पा रहे वो आउटलाइन देख सकें। और अगर आपकी आउटलाइन में मेरे को कोई डिफरेंस लगेगा या फिर कोई आउटलाइन में दिक्कत लगेगी तो मैं आपको भी सजेस्ट कर सकूं। इससे आप सभी लोगों की जो आउटलाइन है वो इम्प्रूव हो पाएगी। इसलिए आप उसको ज़रूर अपना जो ग्रुप है उस पर शेयर करें, जिससे सबको हेल्प मिल सके। जो ग्रुप का लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा, साथ ही में पीडीएफ में भी आपको ग्रुप का लिंक मिल जाएगा। तो अभी हम शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट डिक्टेशन से। डिक्टेशन में जितनी भी गलतियां हैं उसको प्लीज़ कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइए, सो डैट हम इम्प्रूव कर सके हमारी क्लास को। स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट डिक्टेशन से। इसकी स्पीड 110 से 115 रहने वाली है। गेट रेडी। 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, I was inclined to rise to give you thanks for conducting the House during the session, though some lines angry but nevertheless in a peaceful way. Sir, every game has the rule, and that game has to be played by the rule. And so we have to play the game inside the chamber by the rule as incorporated in the book. As you very often say that this house is conducted without the rules also, and so we also did participate in the debate without the rules. Sir, I must admit on this closing day that however certain mentions were there, you being on the chair could successfully guide through and ended with a happy note. So, on behalf of members belonging to my party and members belonging to other opposition parties, I convey my heartfelt thanks to you and through you to the leader of the house for cooperating with the opposition parties in finalizing the business of the house and taking note of the suggestions very often given by the opposition parties in conducting the business of the house. And in the end, I would be failing in my duty if I do not point out that my esteemed colleague would have done good if, as a member of the panel of the vice chairman, he would not raised this controversial issue at the end of today's sitting. Sir, this session was particularly a stormy one. There was so much important legislative business. Apart from that, we saw the rise and fall of so many governments and a political change in the country. And all of this, as is to be done in a democracy, was done within certain rules and conventions. For this, in no small measure, I will not be flattering when I say this. We should thank our leader who was always here in the house from the beginning till the end, even on days when we sat late. In spite of his pressing engagements as the finance minister of the country, he gave first devotion to this house, for which we should thank him. Also, I will be failing in my duty if I do not thank the person sitting behind him. Last but not least, we must also thank the secretariat staff who, despite all the pressures, were there from the beginning till the end and cooperated with us. With all the members in discharge of their duties, I will place all this on record and would like to thank all the members who, despite differences of opinion, had a spirit of fellowship, and once they left this chamber and went into the inner lobbies. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, I reciprocate the feelings which have been expressed by my friends in thanking you for all the facilities given to us to raise points, though sometimes there was so much excitement we could carry on the work of this house in a friendly atmosphere. I would also say that the leader of the house has proved that he is not only the leader of his party but the leader of the entire house, and in difficult situations he has given the lead which has resulted in the restoration of peaceful and cordial atmosphere in the house. The traditions and conventions of this house are so glorious and high that we have to appreciate that this house is really a very important institution in our democratic way of life. Stop. सो गाइज ये हमने जनरल मैटर लिख लिया है। 110 WPM 115 WPM तक फ्लक्चुएट किया है। आई होप आप लोगों से ये लिखा गया होगा। अब आप इसको ट्रांसक्राइब करिए, अपनी गलतियों को चेक करिए। अब एग्जाम पास में आ चुका है तो अब आप लोग डेली जो है 2-3 मैटर जरूर लिखिए और उनको ट्रांसक्राइब भी करिए। इससे आपका जो एग्जाम है जो अच्छे से हो सके। अब आप इसको ट्रांसक्राइब करके अपनी गलतियों को चेक करके कमेंट कर देना और 5 मिनट के ब्रेक के बाद आप ये लीगल मैटर भी लिख लीजिए। सो लीगल मैटर के लिए रेडी हो जाइए। गेट रेडी, 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। द petitioners by this writ petition have prayed for directing the respondents to allow the change of land use from residential to commercial land and to remove the seal from the premises of the petitioners and accept the compounding application to compound the construction of the second floor. The petitioners by this writ petition have prayed for directing the respondents to allow the change of land use from residential to commercial land and to remove the seal from the premises of the petitioners and accept the compounding application to compound the construction of the second floor. Petitioners submit that they have housing board plot bearing number 119 situated in Jaipur. The lane where the plot is situated is a commercial zone and the road on the plot is 80 feet wide. Both the sides of the road commercial activities are going on. Petitioners have submitted plan for construction of 2-storied building and after the approval he constructed the plot. No prior permission is required to be taken in a plot size which is less than 500 square meters and there was no limitation for construction. Accordingly, the composite filing, including change type of documents of property, were submitted along with the map and construction plan to the corporation, and change of land use was requested and fees was also deposited for the purpose, but orders have not been passed. The petitioner constructed the premises whereafter notice was served upon them for construction without approval and another notice thereafter was sent by alleging that no front setback has been left. Learned counsel appearing for the petitioners has submitted that the construction was as per the bylaws and also relying the Gazette dated 012-2013 whereby the Jaipur Municipal Corporation Land Irregular Construction 2012, hereinafter referred to as the Regulations of 2012, were enacted, mentioning therein the amount to be charged for any irregular construction and for compounding the same, and praised that the respondents to be allowed to accept the compounding fees for the said purpose and open the seal but by the respondents on the second floor. In reply to the writ petition, the respondents have submitted that the petitioners have constructed the building without leaving the appropriate setbacks and the irregular constructions made without leaving setbacks as resulted in the sealing of the plot. I have considered the submissions that find that the regulations of 2012 provides for compounding of setbacks. It is apparent that the petitioner's property, which is situated in Jaipur, was 80 feet. Therefore, application for conversion was required to be decided accordingly. It is also noticed from the photographs attached with the file that there is other property situated at another place which is being used for commercial purposes as well as the residential purposes. Accordingly, this court finds that the action of the respondents in sealing the second floor of the petitioner's premises was unjustified and illegal, and the petitioners would be entitled to use the second floor for residential purposes, and the ground floor and first floor are being used for commercial purposes. The requisite fees in this regard was required to be determined by the municipal corporation, and if any setback is found to be irregular, appropriate directions under the regulations of 2012 were also required to be passed. Stop. सो गाइज ये लीगल मैटर 110 115 पर हमने लिखा है. अब आप इसको ट्रांसक्राइब करिए और अपनी गलतियों को चेक करके कमेंट करके बता देना. अब जो है हम लोग जनरल और लीगल फेजेस का डिक्टेशन लिखने वाले हैं. इनको लिख करके आउटलाइन बना करके आपको स्टेनो आर्मी के डिस्कशन ग्रुप पे शेयर करनी है. तो ये आज का आपका होमवर्क है. सो गेट रेडी. 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट. थैंकफुल, एप्रिशिएटिव, ग्रेटफुलनेस, acknowledgement, recognition, obliged, thankfulness, appreciation, grace, indebted, blessed, gracious, contentment, humble, affectionate, reciprocation, praise, reverence, favor, facilitation, factum, felony, fiduciary, final judgment, foreclosure, forgery, fugitive, forfeiture, fingerprint, earnest, easement, enforce, emolument, escrow, estoppel, evidence, extradition, ex parte, empanel, ex facie, ex officio, expedite. स्टॉप. सो ये हमारे लीगल और जनरल फ्रेजेस हो गए हैं. लीगल में आज हमने एफ और ई वर्ड के ऊपर लीगल फ्रेजेस कवर कर लिए हैं, जिससे आपके जो ई और एफ वर्ड के जितने भी हैं वो आज जो है वो कंप्लीट हो गए हैं. अब जो है अब आपको इनकी आउटलाइंस बनानी है और उसको स्टेनो आर्मी के ग्रुप पर शेयर करनी है. तो आज की क्लास यहीं पर एंड होती है. कोई भी क्वेरी हो उसको आप कमेंट करके या फिर मुझे पर्सनली टेलीग्राम पर पूछ सकते हैं. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय.